Okay, this is a piece of aluminum pop can. I probably should have made it longer, but this seal is well stretched out, so this is going to go pretty easy. Slide it on the case and slide it onto the aluminum carrier or sleeve, and you slide it up to the big end of the piston. And see if I can get this to go over that O-ring without too much trouble. Probably not. Slide it back a little bit. Might have to help it with a seal pick. Okay, it's kind of cockeyed, but I got the first seal covered up. So then you'll be able to slide this baby right on up over the first one and into the ring groove, except the aluminum slipped on me, so I have to screw around and get it pulled back out from underneath that. Okay, we went up the second one, so that's fine too. Which is actually where it should be, because the top of the head screws off. It's Loctited, so you have to warm it up. So now you can just put your middle seal on top of that O-ring, some Loctite on the threads, screw her in, snug it up, and you have 3 seals installed. Now this one is really stretched, and I made another tool, another rifle case cut down, that I use to kind of push that stretched piston seal back into place. Kind of waller around and get some of that stretch out of it. And now it should slip right into the compressor. There it is.